Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we shall discuss about pair of linear equation in two variables. Before we begin, subscribe our channel for future updates. Now let's begin. Linear equation consists of the sum of constants, variables and arithmetical operations. A linear equation consists of constant, variable, arithmetic operation. This is the linear equation. 5x plus 18 is equal to 3 plus 4x. It is also called algebraic expression. You have already learned about monomials, binomial, trinomial and polynomials in your previous classes. So today we are going to learn about linear equation. Here degree of x is 1, so I call this as linear equation. Here also degree is 1, so I call this as linear equation in one variable. An equation which involves one variable with highest power 1 is called a linear equation. Here degree of x is 1, so this is linear equation. Here degree of y is 1, so this is also a linear equation. Next we discuss about linear equation in two variables. A linear equation in two variables, say x and y, usually represented in the following forms: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, and a comma b and c are real constants. Next, another equation, ax plus by is equal to or plus d is equal to d, where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, a comma b comma d are real constants. So such kind of linear equations are called linear equation in two variable, and this is linear equation in one variable, and this is called linear equation in two variable. Here two variables we use, x and y, so we call this as linear equation in two variable. Here only one variable we use, x, y, so this is called it as linear equation one variable, and this is linear equation in two variable. Next we discuss about graphical representation of linear equations. We draw a graph like this. We draw graphs like this. These are the three graphs we have drawn. This is 0. First what happens is I draw two parallel lines. And another one is first one, these are the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and does not equal to c1 by c2. So they do not form any solution. So they do not form any solution. So they are inconsistent. These are parallel lines. This is one equation, this is another equation. If we draw on a graph, they form two parallel lines, so they are inconsistent. In next, this is coincident. These are coincident lines. Here all the equations are in one point, x comma y. I call this point as x comma y, x comma y. So here all the points lie on one line, so these are called coincident lines. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to C1 by C2. They are infinitely many solution. They form infinitely many solution. Next, these are the intersecting lines. These are the intersecting lines. Here, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Here, the equation is at exactly at one point x comma y. So these are intersecting lines. These are coincident lines. These are intersecting lines. So it has exactly one solution, unique solution. It has only one solution. And system is consistent. System is, here the system is consistent. Here also the system is consistent and dependent. Here also the system is consistent and dependent. Here system is inconsistent. Here system is consistent and dependent and form many solution. Here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So I call this as coincident lines. Here A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. So I call it as intersecting lines, intersecting at only one point. Here these are two parallel lines. Here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 does not equal to C1 by C2. So they do not form any solution. So system is inconsistent. Next, we solve some problems on pair of linear equation in two variables. To find the solution of any linear equation in two variables, we have to remember the formula ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. b is not equal to 0. So this is called linear equation in two variables. This is called solution of the linear equation. Next, we solve problems. Our question is find the value of k. Find the value of k in the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and k minus 1 into x plus k plus 2 into y is equal to 3k have infinite number of solutions. Here the two equations forms infinite number of solution. So these are the coincident lines. So these are the coincident lines. Here these are the coincident lines. These two equations form infinite number of solutions. So this is the coincident lines. Here the equation form infinite number of solutions. Here condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 b2 is equal to c1 by c2. First I write the two equations as it is. Look at here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and k minus 1 into x plus k plus 2 into y is equal to 3k. So solution of linear equation is ax plus by plus c. First I find the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2. Solution of the equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 r is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. And condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here in these equations the value of a1 is a1 is equal to 2 and value of a2 is k minus 1, here 2, and value of b1 is 3, value of b2 is k plus 2, and value of c1 is 7, and value of c2 is 3k. Value of c2 is 3k. I write in this equation in order to find the solution. Here a1 is 2 by k minus 1 is equal to 3 by k plus 2 is equal to 7 by 3k. I part this equation into two forms. First by cross multiplying this side, and then by cross multiplying from this to this equations in order to form the solution. Two into k plus 2, on cross multiplication we get 2 into k plus 2 is equal to 3 into k minus 1. This side 3 into 3k is equal to 7 into k plus 2. Cross multiplication, on cross multiplication we get 7 into k plus 2. 2k plus 4 is equal to 3k minus 3. On solving, I get the answer for k is 7. Here 9k is equal to 7k plus 7 to the 14. On solving this equation, I get the exact value k is equal to 7. So the value of k is, the value of k is 7. So the linear equation has infinitely number of solution. So this equation has infinitely number of solution. In next problem we solve the same pattern. Here the two equations are given. 5x plus 2y is equal to 2k. 2 into k plus 1 into x plus ky is equal to 3k plus 4. You solve yourself and find the answer. And two equations are coincident, are form many solution. These are the coincident lines. Here the graphical representation I have already shown how coincident lines forms infinitely many solution and are inconsistent. I have also already shown how to solve these types of problem. You try this problem and write the answer in your comment section. These are the coincident line. Here the answer I will give you. Answer is k is equal to 4. Solve and write on comment section the answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share with your friends. Thank you.